Well, good day and welcome. I am Eric Clifton, aka E Cliff, and this is some Facebook marketing tips. Pretty much, guys, I'm basically going to show you a few things that I'm doing on a consistent basis uh, to help navigate through all of these various different Facebook algorithms that they have. So we're going to show you a couple of little tricks to help you with some target marketing when you're doing your Facebook post and things like that. So let's jump right on in. This is straight up and down target marketing within your Facebook list. So what you want to do, log into Facebook, obviously. You want to make sure you have clicked onto your home page. And then over to the left, scroll down, you'll see something that's called friend list. Well, no matter how many friends you have, you still have this option right here. I recommend you do whatever you can to try to get to 5,000 friends. I'm working on that myself. But you want to do, click on friend list. This is what's going to come up. I have, as you can see, uh, quite a few lists on here. What you want to do is click this button called create a list, right? They're going to let you name the list. What do you want to call it? The purpose for this is for you to narrow down and categorize the people that you have in your friends list. You can have a friends list called family, friends list called cousins, friends list called I got one called People on the West Coast. You can have an East Coast friends list. Or whatever you want to name that list, that's what you're going to do. I'm going to call this one Cousins, right? And then, of course, you want to add a cousin or you want to add a person after you put your friends list together. Let's see, add one of my cousins here. Here we go, Angela Clifton. She's a cousin. Hit the create button, and I have just created this friends list called cousins. Go back to it. You see it, it's right here. That's my friends list. Now, what you want to do as you start accepting new friends and as you are sending out new friend requests, you'll notice that oftentimes when you do that, it asks you to to describe what type of friend. Usually, most people will have it clicked on acquaintances or close friends or family are the first options that normally come up. And most people I see when they do it, they don't even care nothing about it. Look, it doesn't matter if they're acquaintance or a friend or family, but I'm gonna show you why that's important. Let's go to, now I'm going directly to my friends list, right? Go to your friends list, and then what you want to do, you want to now edit your friends list. See this? You go to your friends, this one right here, this happens to be my sister, right? You see where it says close friends, acquaintances, or add to another list. So I'm gonna click add to another list, and my sister happens to already be added in my family list. But if my sister was also a hot prospect, then I would probably add her to my hot prospects list as well. And the purpose for this, I'm gonna show you guys in a second, is sometimes when you want to send out a post and you only want a specific amount of people to look at it, like your family, this post is just for your family, then this is why you have these lists set up. When you just want to send it out to your hot prospects, that's what you're going to do. Now the trick about this is uh, Facebook allows you to do this from your phone. I haven't found where you can send that message directly to a person from your computer or laptop, and I'm going to show you how you can do it from your phone. So remember, you go to your friends list, add them to whatever list you want them on. I'm going to add her to family. Boom. And so you could take a few minutes and just keep doing that, right? Lavonda Thornton, I'm going to add her to a list. She's a network marketer already, so I'm gonna add her to my network marketer list. Boom. Right? Go to this person right here. Add to a list. She's another network marketer. I'm gonna add her to my network marketer list. And so, guys, you can take some time when you're not too busy. Go on your computer, go through your friends list, and go another Clifton. This is a family member. Let me make sure she added. Okay, she's added to the family list. But she's also a cousin, so I can add her to my cousins list as well. But I think you guys get the picture, right? Now, let's take a look at how this is going to look when you're ready to send out an actual post, right? Boom. So let's pull up my phone. Uh, and we want to go to Facebook, right? So this is a screenshot of my phone's guy. I'm showing you real time, right? We're gonna go to Facebook. I'm getting ready to send a post. Boom. Okay, so this is gonna be my post. 10 ways to travel for free. How about that? I'm gonna say comment below if you want this list. All right. Comment below if you want this list. I'm gonna hit the share button, and after you hit the share button, notice what comes up after you do that. Share with the public. And this is typically whenever time somebody shares, posts something, it's going to be out there to the public, anybody who can see it. And the way the Facebook algorithm is set up right now, you know that if you got a few thousand friends, only a small percentage of your friends will actually see what you post. But we can make that specific. I don't want that particular small amount of friends to see that post. What I want, look at that. I'm gonna hit that button right there. Let me go back so y'all can see what I hit. I'm going to hit this button right here that says public so that I can change that from public to my particular friend list that I'm going for. So I'm going to hit more. I want to see my whole list. So this post that I'm sending out right now, I only want my friends from back in the day, from uptown, and I went to school with. I only want them to see this. So I'm going to click on that. This is what this particular post is for. It's just for them. So now, when I go back, notice this post is going to be shared with my friends from uptown and school. It's going to go on their news feed specifically. This is how you target market for free, as a matter of fact, with inside of Facebook, uh, from the comfort of your daggone cell phone, because this is done from my cell phone. Like I said, I don't normally see this option when you're on the computer. And then now I'm gonna hit the share now button, and now that post is out there, just like that. And then you guys can continue to do this over and over again. It take you a few minutes in the beginning, obviously, to go through your friend list, especially if you got a whole lot of friends. You got 5,000 friends, might take you a while, but trust me, do a little bit here and there, maybe 20 of them a day. If you do 20 of them a day, what am I doing? See, okay, this is a friend. She's a good friend from school, right? So I'm gonna add her to this list. And you can just keep doing this, right? Over and over and over again until you have categorized your entire friend list. If you got 5,000 friends in Facebook, they should be, each and every one of them should be in a category that you can target market, right? And then now you're not just throwing stuff out there hoping that so and such got your post or saw your post or even had the opportunity to see it. Now I'm targeting them on purpose. And some of them might start to wonder. I'm starting to see more and more of Eric's posts. That's because I'm doing it intentionally so that they can see it. Guys, this is amazing. It's going to be a game changer for you if you actually do this. It's tedious, I know, but trust me, if you go ahead and get it done, just take the few minutes out your day, get it done. It will be well worth it in the long run, because at the end of the day, you want exposures, and you want to be specific about what you're doing. Better yet, you want to be intentional about what you're doing instead of just throwing some mud on the wall and hoping it's going to stick. We are target marketing. So, guys, listen. I hope you like this video. If you did, please subscribe to this page, the YouTube page. We have more videos coming, more tips on how to help you grow your business. And that's it, guys. Enjoy. Pass the word around.